guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm very excited about this tutorial that I'm going to be doing, mainly because one of the styles I'm going to do is a hairstyle that I've been wanting to do. This is the hair I'm going to be reviewing today. I'm pretty sure some of you guys are familiar with this brand Equal because it's in most beauty supply store you come across today. So the hair is the Freetress Remixx Half Up, Half Down 3-in-1 solution. It comes with 2 separate pieces for multiple styling options, and it has a ponytail in it with an elastic band on it. The second piece is a stretchable mesh cap drawstring, which can also be used for a half wig. So as you can see on the pack, it has 3 different styles. I'm going to be doing this one today, and I'm also going to be doing the one next to it. So I'm going to be doing these 2 styles in my hair. First, I'm going to blow my hair out to get it as straight as I can for the styles. Now that I've blown my hair out how I want it, I'm going to go ahead and part off the front section because I'm going to be doing the half up, half down style first. Okay, so here I'm taking out leave out in the back, which I clearly didn't need to do. It was totally unnecessary because as you can see on the flyer, it shows that you don't need to take any leave out, but for me, I did not see it. So I went ahead and do it this way. So you guys, if you're doing this style, just make sure or be mindful that you don't need to take any leave out like I'm doing right now. After taking the totally unnecessary leave out, I went ahead and part my hair straight down the middle in the back, and I did 2 cornrows. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the other side. Now I'm done with the braids in the back, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add the half wig on it. This is the piece I'm gonna be adding onto the back. It's very full and it's also very long. I'm not sure what the length is. I didn't see it on the pack. I'm not saying it's not on the pack, but I'm just saying that I didn't see it. But also the color is 1B. I'm not sure if I mentioned that already, but yeah, the color is 1B and it's really nice and full, so you guys will see when I put it on. It has 2 clips in the top. It also has 2 more in the sides, and it has another one down in the back, so it has enough clip to secure it onto my head when I'm wearing it. Along with the clips, it also has a string in the back like a drawstring, so you definitely get a lot of security with this half wig. I'm starting by securing the two clips in the top, and then I'm going to secure the two in the sides and then the last one in the back before I draw the string to tighten it. After adding the hair on the back, I went ahead and straightened my leave out. And this is another reason why it was a bad idea to have leave out, because now I'm putting more heat on my hair. And I'm also giving myself a lot more work to do than necessary. One thing I can say though, it was worth it in the end. All that heat, all that work I put into it, and you guys will see for yourself the result that it was definitely worth it. Now I'm gonna move on to finessing the front, and I'm gonna be using some product that's gonna make my hair look so sleek. So pay attention. I was just checking out the length of my hair. I think my hair has grown so much, but it definitely needs trimming. So I think that's something I'm gonna be doing soon. Now I'm just combing my hair up to where I want it. Then I'm gonna hold it with a hair tie, not too tight, just enough so I could add the product onto it. I'm also leaving out some of my edges because edges always make it looks better. I mean, that's just my opinion. The edges make it look so much sleeker and well done. To sleek my hair down, I'm going to be using my favorite jam from BTL. And something I want to point out to you guys, just in case you don't know, if you blow your hair out to make it nice and straight like this, you do not want to use like regular styling gel. You want to use jam instead, because the gel is not going to work properly to sleek your hair down, I promise you. If your hair is relaxed, then fine, you could go ahead and use gel. But if it's not relaxed and you have to blow it out to get it straight, do not use gel to make it straight. Use the jam instead. Even though, you know, this jam, I think it says gel on the bottle. It is a jam. It's not really like gel, like wet. So it's perfect to use. So I'm applying the jam onto my hair using the comb. I feel like this works best for me. Some people layer the jam, which means they part their hair and put the jam on, then part it again, put more on it, and you know, just keep layering it. But I don't need to do that, and I'm not gonna be keeping this style in for a long time too, so I really don't need to do that. Okay, so now that I have the jam where I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and take the hair tie back out, and then I'm gonna brush my hair in place some more how I want it, and then I'm gonna really secure it with the hair tie. Now I'm just gonna use the comb to flatten my hair down even better to make it look nice and sleek. As you notice, I did not use a brush to do this because the comb does a better job, especially when using the jam on my natural hair. The comb does a better job than the brush would. This is the ponytail I'm going to be adding onto my hair. It does have two clips on it, and on that extra piece of hair you see me holding in my right hand, it does have a piece of velcro right at the root of it. So this extra piece of hair you see me holding onto is what I'm going to be wrapping at the root of my ponytail to make it look so much nicer. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the ponytail. I'm going to hook the clip in the middle securely under my hair tie, and the one that's on the side, I'm going to hook it in the side of the hair tie. I know that has got to sound a little crazy that I'm hooking it in the side, but yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing because it's on the side of the ponytail. So that's the best place I feel like I could hook it onto my hair tie. And that's exactly what you see me doing here. It was long enough to wrap all the way around to the other side. Now I'm going to grab the piece with the extra hair on it and use that to wrap around the root of my ponytail. And while I'm wrapping this piece, I do comb it, and I also add jam on it just to keep it nice and sleek and laid where I want it. Sometimes I would use my Got2b glue free spray to hold it down, but because I know I'm going to be taking this out soon, I'm not going to be using it today. But what I'm using is definitely going to make it look good regardless. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and use my handy dandy edge control from Edge Effect to lay my edges. I'm gonna tie the front of my hair down, edges and all, then I'm gonna go do my makeup and I will be back. So, my opinion on this hair is that it is flawless. Like, I was not expecting it to look this good. I was not expecting the outcome. I mean, I've been wanting to do a half up, half down. I feel like they read my mind. Anyway, I've been wanting to do a half up, half down for a while. I did buy some hair to do it, but it would have been much more work to get it done. But look at this. It did not take that long. And it's like two different, hair I just have to put in. The hair that I was gonna use to do the half up, half down is weaving hair, you know what I'm saying? So I would have to sew it in the back and then wrap it, just keep wrapping it until it's finished to do up here. But this is so much easier. This did it. This gave me the style I wanted. I'm gonna stand up too so you guys could see the length because it's very long. And I was trying to see how long it is, what the length is. It comes in a few different colors. Number 1, 1B, number 2, GD 427, GD 430, GD 99J 530. And I'm wearing color number 1. I don't see the length, but it's pretty long. I was actually surprised when I took it out the part. I'm gonna stand up so you guys could see it. And put the hair behind me. So there we go. It's, it's butt length. Look at that. Butt length. Oh. I like it. And look at the hair. It's so full. It's a lot of hair. Oh my gosh. It's a lot of hair. So yeah, I like it. Okay, so like with every hair tutorial that I do, I like to get y'all feedback, y'all opinions. So definitely make sure you comment down below and let me know what you think. I like it. I like it. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna move on to doing the ponytail. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up in a ponytail, and I'm gonna be speeding this part up because the video is already long enough and you guys already saw how I did the front, so it's not much different. I'm just gonna put everything up in one.
Girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded. Even on an island by ourselves. Girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be right here. Stranded with you, feeling better since you brought me here. Stranded with you.
Now I'm all done with the ponytail, so it's time to show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, I am back with the second look, which will be my last look, I believe. I don't think I'm gonna do the other one, but anyway, yeah, I'm back. Hair's still looking good. Hair's still looking good. Get into it. Get into this cute ponytail. See what I'm saying? I mean, really, one pack, 3 styles. I am feeling myself. I am feeling myself in this hair. I'm telling you, it looks so cute. Like, girl. I'm gonna leave all the information for the hair down below so you guys could check it out, because I know y'all gonna want it. I know it. I just know it. There ain't no way this hair look this good and y'all not gonna try it. All the hair details will be linked in the description box below, so definitely do check that out. Please give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Also, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!